There's love in every bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash!
Hello! Let's get art smart by making a simple truck craft. It's a craft that's simple. So, you need some paper, ideally different colors of paper. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colors of paper. I have yellow, pink, blue, and green. But you can really use any colors that you would like to use. So, then you need a pencil, glue, safety scissors, and you also need an object that has a square on it. I have this piggy bank because it's the shape of a cube, which has 6 squares around all over it. So here you go. You see I have a square right there on my piggy bank. So this is the object that I will use for my simple truck craft. And also you need an object that has a circle. I am using this sippy cup lid because it has a circle. Okay, so first thing you do is you take a piece of paper. I'm gonna use blue. You place it down, and then you take another piece of paper. See, paper has a rectangle shape, right? Well, when you fold it in half, like so, and you cut along the crease with your safety scissors, like this, you have 2 rectangles. 1, 2 rectangles. Now you need one of these rectangles to make your simple truck craft. So I take some glue and just put that onto my green rectangle, and then I place it on top of my other rectangle, which is my blue paper, like this. And now, what you do is, you take another piece of paper, I'm gonna use pink, and you trace your object that has a square. In my case, you can see I have a square here on my piggy bank, so I trace all around it, like that, with my pencil. You see? Ta-da! You see that square? And now I cut the square with my safety scissors, like this. Do you like trucks? I like trucks. I really like a simple truck craft. So there's my square, and then again I add some glue to my square, turn it over, and then place it just in front, I'm gonna overlap a bit actually, of my green rectangle. There's my square, there's my rectangle, and there's my big rectangle. Okay, and now you take another paper, or the same paper, depending what you'd like, and you trace your circle shape. As I've mentioned, this is a sippy cup lid. So I am going to trace 2 circles, like that, ta-da! So, again, you cut your circles with your safety scissors, like this. Let's see. Okay, there is 1 circle. Do you know what part of my truck these circles shall be? They shall be the wheels of the truck. Okay, here's my other circle shape. Look at this. Oh. Ta-da! Okay, and so now I add some glue. There's 1 wheel, I shall place it right over here at the front of my truck, and then the other wheel right there at the back of the truck. And there you have it. Vroom, vroom, my simple truck craft. Grown-ups, if you like this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and please tell a friend. Doing so helps me to grow my channel so I can create more educational kids videos for YouTube. I'll see you in more videos of the Gisele Mishmash.
The Gisele